These are two of the real funky boys.
Two of the real funky boys. So we're gonna eat a jar of pickles.
That's me. 3, 2.
It's not a race.
1, go.
I put diamonds on my necklace. I just had a bitch eat my dick up for breakfast. I'm on now. I got all these bitches in my phone now. All I do is call and they come, then they come cause I'm on now. Cause I'm on now, yeah. Hey, all these niggas tryna call my phone, but don't call me.
It's party time, let's have some fun.
So what happens to the loser? You have to pour the eggnog into the pickle juice?
Yeah.
What happens to Cassius? He has to pour pickle juice in his eggnog, shake it up, and take a fat swig. Did you take my...
Your empty glass. Sorry.
It had peach juice in it. What if I wanted more? I did wanted more. Whatever.
I did wanted more.
Splash eggnog.
I don't like when you sass me.
Oh my.
Oh!
Go on, eggnog. Ew, I have to
Pee in it.
Yeah, I'm peeing it too.
This looks like fucking pink. Crack it.
Put a pickled egg in there too. Yeah.
Pickle juice going in my tray. That's disgusting.
Take a huge swig.
Nose deaf to it.
Mm-hmm.
Do it. Gargle it.
Gargle it, yeah, gargle.
Tastes like eggnog and pickle juice.
Okay, we're good. Feel free. Go ahead.
I gotta eat this pickle.
Oh my god.
It's gonna smell like pickle all in this place.
You done? You just ate a jar of pickles, my dude.
Woo! Oh my god, look at your tongue. Stick out your tongue.
It's pickled.
That's the weirdest color.
Pull it out again.
It's yellow in this video right now.
Ew.
Watch time to decide. I think.
No, I'm not gonna puke.
You're such a square. Oh my god.
Ow!
It was like the one last pickle too. It was. You just puked up one pickle. Puke them all up one at a time.
It looks like fucking relish, dude. It's disgusting.
Dude, I think
We made relish.
that's how they make relish.
Oh my god! Can I do it again?
In this video, how to make relish.
Can I do it again?
Yeah, do it again. One pickle at a time.
And then do it. Slam that.
Oh my god. We just made relish.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
it's fucking disgusting. Relish!
Oh my god. You guys, put that jar in my fridge.
Can I have? Nope.
Oh my god. Are you okay? This is like kind of gross. He's shaking so hard. I'm taking my phone away. I'm scared of this.
Give me my fucking nose.
Oh my god.
You guys, we made relish. Yeah, we made relish. You first put it inside and keep it. Look. Okay, guys, get in real close together and say goodbye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Stop annoying Abby. Hey.